how do you handle this? Is this bullish for today?
Okay, so
On,
it is bullish as of right now. So what I'm gonna probably end up doing is maybe catching the pullback. So it's been going up, up, up since overnight session. So we're gonna have resistance right between these 60s and 70s.
Mhm.
It's here at these sorry, excuse me, hold on. Let me get there. And so it's here at this area, this top area between 60 and 70 that I'm looking for this thing to kind of start to stall out. And if it can, then I'm probably going to look for the move to catch it back down into two areas. One, this point of control, and two, somewhere down here. Between, yeah, I'd say this is going to be my area of interest. And actually, I'll just highlight it.
So, but then you're looking for the short.
Yeah,
You
I'm looking for the
cannot
fade
take
back.
out the level here.
You can take the long if you want.
No, I don't.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
it's
just,
just too high
it's
for me
just,
to take it.
yeah. It's just I really want to stay with the trend, but in days like these where it's been going up for like now 12 hours or something, but the overall trend is so bearish. A lot of times I'm a little confused now what the trend is.
Right. Usually it is always great to stay with the trend. It's just a matter of,
But how many hours does it last until you consider the trend? Because I mean the trend is bearish, super bearish.
right. So it's in a long-term position, it is definitely to the downside, right? So we do want to keep that in mind too, is that when you get towards resistance levels, you're going to have quite a bit of sell pressure, right? So as we're coming into this resistance level, you can see quite a bit of sell pressure coming in, right? Which is a great area for us to be looking maybe for a double top and a short opportunity, because this will definitely take us down. So for me, I like to stay with the trend, but I like to have a trade idea as well. The overall trend is bearish. The short-term trend is bullish, right? But with that in mind, we are up at resistance. We're at a value area high, and we also, I think this is a prior previous day close. Let me see.
It is.
Yeah, so prior previous day close and low. So what this will do is this will give us some great areas of resistance and maybe a sell-off. Is my idea is to get a sell-off and the volume sits down here. So you see where that prior day point of control is down here, these blue lines. So what will happen structure wise is you're going to get to a couple areas. One being this peak here, this little zone of support. And more than likely from there, it's going to pull through, trying to come back into the prior day point of control, which is down here. All right, so that's my trade idea to the downside.